We did that, remember that? Did you come to my house and do chopped brisket?
No, thanks for the invite.
It was really good.
I bet it was.
Today we are going to make a Western smashburger.
Smash.
Cast iron skillet, and we're going to smash them. They're going to be delicious. But first we're going to grind our own meat. And
That sounds real complicated.
I've got this brisket roast, which is from Home Place Pastures, somewhat local farm that will deliver meat to your door, which is a nice service here in town. And they also have this pecan smoked bacon. And we're gonna take both of these things, cube them up, put them in the freezer for a little bit, and then grind it all together to make our ground beef.
Nice.
This is part of the flat.
Okay.
So you can tell there's already a good amount of fat on there. We're just gonna make our meat nice and juicy.
Some good old cubes right there.
Hey, cube these up.
Dude, look at Buster. He is like, y'all got some Home Place Pastures up on that cutting board.
Yes, we do. So this is gonna go in the freezer for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Just to kind of partially freeze so that it works with the grinder a whole lot better.
Cool.
So for this burger, we gotta have special sauce, and that is what we're doing right now. But you know, the base of any.
Okay, wait a minute now. Is this the first one of the season that we're using that Duke's?
I think it may be.
I think it is.
Then we got that.
Upside
I'm not
down.
gonna try to pronounce that.
Wibblerhopper?
That ketchup. Yep. So if I whisk this up right now, this is basically Big Mac sauce, but with some pickled jalapeno juice.
You know they ain't doing that at McDonald's.
No, they ain't. With some garlic powder.
What was that little scotch? By the way, this sound is bacon.
Oh yeah. Paprika.
Okay.
About the same amount of paprika. Is we are going to get some of these chipotles and adobo
Hot
sauce.
ones.
And then you do this, and then you use this finger to take your contacts out later.
Good idea.
Sip a fifth of the whisk.
Last step with the sauce.
Salts it up.
A little bit of that burger sauce. Oh yeah?
Yeah, burger sauce. All right, it is time to grind some meat. KitchenAid meat grinder attachment all set up. This meat has been thoroughly chilled, and I'm gonna turn it on. It's gonna be noisy, but it's gonna look like magic.
What happened?
That meat grinder is a fail.
Okay.
I think the problem was that we didn't have the meat cold enough, so we moved to plan B.
Little food processor?
Ooh, it actually feels really nice.
Weirdo. Oh yeah, man. 2 more batches and we're good. We got burgers.
Let's make some onion rings.
You can't have a Western burger without some onion rings, right?
You know who taught me that?
Who? Burger King.
Okay, that's not really the best teacher, but that's fine. So we're gonna do these like, not really like Huey style thick. 1 onion is gonna make a lot of onion rings, as you can see here. I like to use cornstarch. Half a cup of cornstarch. Throw some salt up in there, good bit.
Okay. Remember that time you
think
needed
I put some
cornstarch
salt
in
in my
New Orleans?
Yeah, I was chafed. We have some garlic powder. We'll got good flavor. Paprika. And a little bit of that pep. You know, flour. Egg wash right back into the flour. So it's like a double seasoned flour. Right now, Seppi is very disappointed with us. You can see it on her face. Because we had a little mishap with the meat grinder. Your fault, not mine. I was good. I did what I was supposed to do. As many as we can get in this tiny, tiny bowl. Drop them in the egg. Back into here. All right, and we're going in.
Ooh. Look at that. we doing?
We're gonna get some jalapeños from my container garden. Big old healthy junks right here.
Well, that's good.
Look at that. Pop that off.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Nice.
That is gonna be super hot. We're gonna do
Have
something.
you tried
with
them yet?
those. Yeah, they're hot.
Nice.
Chop these up, throw it into the cheese on the griddle. This is my daughter's method that she's gonna show us how to do. So it's almost like you make this like burnt jalapeno cheddar crispy thing.
Sounds
It's gonna be
delicious.
great.
Mm.
Why are you so stressed?
Don't answer that.
Smashburgers usually like are good. You're gonna be pushing down the meat. You don't want like any sort of like slotted spatula. So with this one, nice little tips and tricks. Just cover this in aluminum foil. Hey.
Ain't nobody respect our film.
There you go.
Nice spatula.
Look at how smoky this is. Ooh. We're gonna smash it down. Really flat. Yeah, not long. It's not gonna take very long at all. Ready to flip. Ooh, all right, a little bit more salt.
That smells like literally if you were gonna fill a ribeye in cast iron. That's what it smells like. It smells that good.
Man. That's
Home
what happens
place
when you grind your own meat.
That's right.
Like we did.
Wink, wink.
What you grating on?
We're gonna do a little special cheese method with this Tillamook sharp cheddar.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna eat about half of what I grate up because that's just how I do. We will have some left over for the burgers, but I'm gonna eat probably half of it for sure.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Grayson, do you like jalapenos?
Let's go.
Ding.
That is hot.
What do you think? Good?
She's done. This is Grayson's method. So when she makes quesadillas,
Ooh.
she puts a little bit of butter in there, like that.
So I take the cheese.
Yep.
When I'm done with the quesadilla, I take the cheese, put it on the skillet,
Nice.
wait a second for it to burn, and then I put the quesadilla on it, press it down super hard, and then it burns on the outside, but it doesn't burn where it tastes right. It tastes like burnt cheese and it's super good.
Yeah.
We're
Let's
gonna do
do
the
it.
same thing, but we're gonna do it with cheese and the jalapenos, and we're gonna do it on the bun, and it's gonna like
It's gonna solidify. It's gonna
stick the
become
cheese right to the bun.
become one with the bun.
True.
There we go. That's enough.
We're gonna take some jalapenos,
Just take them off.
put that like that.
Yeah.
On this bun, we're gonna put it down, and then we need press it down with. So if it's a light brown, then it's gonna be a darker brown here, and it's gonna be super good.
Oh man, this looks so good.
Yeah, it does.
Oh man, look at
Let's
that.
do it.
Here we got a little burger sauce.
Ooh.
We go on the bottom.
Special.
Take our burger.
Oh, see what's over there. Yeah, like,
Onion rings over here.
oh, nice. That's fun.
Yeah.
And then,
A little bit more burger sauce.
oh, that's smart.
Okay, now look at that. See how that cheese? It's like
I
crispy.
want that.
and
Come
the
on, put it on there.
jalapenos
Let's
in
eat it.
That is a delicious
Alright,
Western
we're gonna
smash burger.
Yeah. We did the smash burgers with some brisket and some bacon from Home Place Pastures. We kind of intended to grind it up, but we didn't. We kind of like chopped. We improvised. Made some onion rings, and we got some jalapenos from the garden, and we made burger sauce. And then we used Grayson's special method of burning the cheese. Ooh,
It's so saucy.
Western smash burger. Oh, sorry about your war. Mmm.
Cheese is phenomenal.
The cheese with that
Little
crispy.
crunch. The cheese kind of takes place of like crispy bacon on there, but you don't need bacon because it's in the meat.
Right. Nice work.
Oh my god.
Did it. Ready?
Don't miss. Don't miss. Don't miss.
Go. Okay.
Grab a five.
Yeah.